Peanut's new recipe. Ground chicken, sweet potato, zucchini, 1 egg, carrots, some about a tablespoon parsley, some rosemary, and about a teaspoon of, half a teaspoon of Parmesan cheese mixed in. Now I'm going to put it on the air fryer for about 15 minutes on 350. His nose was up for it. They look good. I had them in for about 15 minutes on 355. And Peanut's nose is up in the air, so hopefully he'll like this. Well, I made 7 of these little peanut chicken balls. They smell good. He's waiting for them, so hopefully he's going to eat them. I'll just give him 1. That'll be enough for lunch, and then he'll have his dinner meal. But we'll see how this goes. I'll let you know. I chopped up the little chicken muffin for Peanut. I'm going the big dish route with him now. So he's going to try it. Hopefully he'll like it. Because it looks really good and it smells good. You like it? Yummy? Is it yummy for your tummy?